In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a user to your Cloudflare account. Whether you're collaborating with a teammate, working with a developer, or simply sharing account access for troubleshooting purposes, this quick process allows you to securely manage who has access to your Cloudflare account. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have all the tools you need to confidently invite users and assign the right permissions. Let's get started. First, make sure you're using a compatible browser like Google Chrome or Firefox. Open your browser and head over to the official Cloudflare website. Once you're there, log in with your credentials. If you've linked your Google account to Cloudflare, you can use the Continue with Google button to log in and select the appropriate account. Either way, make sure you're in the right Cloudflare account before proceeding. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. This is where you'll manage your account and settings. From here, scroll down until you find the Manage Access section. This is typically located under Settings or Account Management. If you don't see it right away, take your time navigating the options. It's an important part of controlling who has access to your Cloudflare account. When you've located the Manage Access section, click on it to open the Members area. It's here that you'll be able to invite new users. Next, find the Invite button and click on it to start the process of adding someone to your account. This will open up a form where you'll need to enter the user's email address. Now, here's an important tip. Make sure to double-check the email address you're entering. Even a minor typo could mean the invitation is sent to the wrong person, which could delay the process or even result in unauthorized access. Take your time to ensure everything is accurate before moving forward. Once you've entered the email address, click on the Add button to confirm. After that, you'll be prompted to select the domain you want to grant the user access to. If you manage multiple domains, make sure you're assigning access to the correct one. It's always a good idea to verify this step to avoid any confusion later on. The next choice you'll need to make is the role you want to assign to the user. Cloudflare provides different levels of access, such as administrator or viewer. Think about the tasks this user will need to perform. For example, if the person needs full control over the account, administrator might be the right choice. If they just need to monitor things without making changes, viewer could be more appropriate. Select the role that best suits their needs. After choosing the role, click on Continue to Summary. This step is vital because it allows you to review all the details you've entered so far. You'll see the email address, the domain you're sharing access to, and the user's role. Take a moment to carefully verify everything. If something doesn't look right, you can go back and make adjustments. Once you're sure that all the information is correct, click on the Invite button to send the invitation. Cloudflare will then confirm that the invitation has been sent, and you should see a notification indicating that the process was successful. And that's it. You've now invited a user to your Cloudflare account. They'll receive an email with instructions on how to accept the invitation. Once they do, they'll have the access you assign them, and you can collaborate more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.